Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage rustic cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a charming home decor style that combines cozy, nostalgic feeling of a cottage with the natural, weathered textures of rustic and vintage elements. It's all about creating a warm, lived-in atmosphere that feels timeless, comforting, and personal. Here are some practical and creative tips to achieve vintage rustic cottage decor in your home. Furniture choices: offer distressed or reclaimed wood pieces, tables, dressers, and shelves. Mix vintage and antique furniture with simple modern pieces for balance. Choose mismatched chairs or cabinets for a cozy, collected over time look. Color palette: stick to soft, muted tones like cream, beige, soft grey, sheepskin, and pastel blue. Add earthy accents like terracotta, warm browns, or soft wood tones. Avoid overly bright or neon colors. They clash with the vintage rustic feel. Use crochet or lace curtains, vintage coils, and knitted drawers. Layered rugs, cushions, and blankets with subtle patterns like florals, checks, and stripes. Incorporate natural fabrics like linen, cotton, burlap, and wool for texture. Wall decor: hang vintage mirrors, old frames, and botanical prints. Use shiplap, wooden panels, or exposed brick for rustic charm. Display ceramic or earthenware vases, mason jars, or vintage kitchenware. Add wicker baskets or wooden crates for storage with style. Bring in dried flowers, herbs, or small potted plants for a natural touch. Use soft, warm lighting, lanterns, candles, or string lights. Incorporate vintage candeliers or old iron sconces for charm. Place lamps in cozy corners to enhance warmth. Don't be afraid of mixing old pieces with slightly weathered finishes. Display heirlooms, handmade crafts, or vintage finds. books, small trinkets, or sentimental items on shelves or tables. Flooring ideas: use wooden floors, either natural, distressed, or painted in soft muted tones. Layer with vintage rugs or padded rugs for warmth and texture. Consider stone or terracotta tiles in kitchens or entryways for rustic charm. In the kitchen, open shelving to display vintage dishes, mugs, and glassware. Add mason jars, wooden cutting boards, and animal ware as decor accents. Use farmhouse-style tables with mismatched chairs for casual coziness. Place vintage dressers, trunks, or vintage tables for character. Use soft lighting, like bedside lamps with fabric shades, to create a cozy retreat. Hang shutters, distressed frames, or wall-mounted crates as decorative storage. Use shade or ledge curtains to let in natural light softly. Add wreaths, wall hangings, or botanical prints for a natural cottage feel. Use rustic wooden benches or rocking chairs. Add potted plants, hanging flowers, or vintage watering cans. Display handmade crochet dollies, linen napkins, or embroidered table runners. Use vintage hardware, cabinet knobs, door handles, and hooks. Incorporate seasonal accents like dried flowers, pine cones, or small pumpkins. Keep it cozy and inviting. Ensure each room feels lived in with a mix of old and new items that tell a story. Mix rough and smooth textures like burlap cushions with soft wool straws. Layer rugs of different sizes and patterns for visual interest and warmth. Combine wood, metal, and fabric in one space to make it feel rich and cozy. Use a upcycled furniture with chipped paint or distressed finishes. Vintage collections display collections of tea cups, plates, or glass bottles on open shelves. Add candle holders, lanterns, and string lights for a soft, warm glow. Use floor lamps with fabric shades for a vintage touch. Highlight architectural features like beams or corners with accent lighting. Paint walls in soft neutrals and accent with faded pastels for a cottage feel. Consider wood paneling, shiplap or reclaimed wood accents. Add wall-mounted shelves to display rustic or vintage finds. Bring the outside in. Dried flowers, branches or potted herbs. Use wooden crates or baskets for outdoor storage with a rustic look. Add vintage watering cans and lanterns to patios and porches. Mix handmade, sentimental and antique pieces to make your space unique. Don't worry about perfection. Imperfections add character and warmth. Keep cracks, knots, and weathered wood visible. They tell a story. Antique metal items with patina or crust look, intentional and cozy. Combine florals, stripes, checks, and plates in small touches. Use subtle patterns on cushions, rugs, or curtains for layered texture. Stick to soft, muted colors to keep patterns harmonious. Include a small side table or basket nearby for books, candles, or tea. Turn kitchen utensils, vintage bottles, or old books into decor. Use wooden crates or baskets as rustic display shelves. Add greenery, fresh or dried flowers in mason jars, teapots, or vintage vases. Thanks for watching the video.